Hey guys, it's Dan here. Welcome to Flipping Cars and Pairs. Guess what we're doing today? Here goes. This is what I've done so far. And what I was actually thinking, right? I want to see if anyone can guess how much in bits I make from doing this car. Obviously, I need the engine for the Range Rover. So the plan is strip this whole car, and you've seen it obviously what it looks like before. And what do you reckon I can make selling all the bits on eBay or anywhere for parts? Obviously you've seen the car, so far I've sold the indicators, sold this mirror today, 35 quid. Inside it's looking like this now, very stripped out. Obviously stereo 60-70 quid. I've taken all these bits off so far. Glove box, got sat nav there. I've sold, what have I sold? Still got tow bar, that's up for sale. That should sell hopefully this bit. Trim, sold the backlight. I stripped this seat out. I sold this. I broke this door because I forgot there was a bolt there, so that's destroyed. These are for sale, sold that. I've sold the climate control under there. I've sold the OBD port, I cut that off. So far this is what it's looking like. So if anyone wants any bits, let me know. But there's quite a lot of left over. The seat, I couldn't bother with it, so I took all the motors out and I just probably whale them in. The motors were in there, you got airbag, just everything. So yeah. Yeah. Car. Say hi, Daisy.
Me.
Yeah.
Me.
This mirror I haven't sold yet. Oh, you okay? Oh. I spent literally God knows how many hours trying to get this web pack out because it was a right nightmare. I've sold the headlights already. So obviously this is the actual engine bay. It's not really looking very fun, to be honest. There's literally no room down the side of there. No room the side of there, and I've got no 4-poster ramp, so apparently this engine, you normally lift this up and the engine goes underneath, but this time I'm getting it out the top, so I'm going to take all this off. I've taken all of that off already. Yeah, and I'm just doing it on my own, so it is what it is. I thought I'll let you guys have a little update as I haven't been on it for a while. The Peugeot sold finally yesterday. It's taken over 4 or 5 weeks. I have bought another car, so that may be on the channel. It's nothing interesting, to be honest. It's just a little cheap run around for someone. Yeah, so what do you guys think I will, well, how much do you reckon this is worth in bits? Like a ballpark figure once I've sold everything. I'm also going to rip all the wiring out and weld the wiring in separately, so every single bit I can possibly sell that actually sells on eBay, not have just stuff sitting around all day long. And it'd be nice to see what people think, how much money I can actually make, whether it's actually worth stripping cars, because obviously I don't think it is. It's too much work, too much effort, too many hours doing it. But some people make money from doing it, so it is what it is. So there's me having a little mumble, and I don't even know what to say now. Yeah, so just let me know, guys, how much you actually think I can get things for. Obviously this wing is no good. I'm not going to take the doors, I'm not going to do the windows and stuff like that. I can't bother. I'm not going to take the motors out the windows as well, because all the battery's dead and I just can't bother to put a battery to it all. So the glass will be staying in, the doors will be staying on. Yeah, so far I've probably made about £200 or no, maybe a bit less than that. And obviously the wheels will sell for a couple £100 because they're decent tyres, little Teen Dynamics 18-inch, so they should sell hopefully for a couple £100. Got the 2 cats that I need to take off. They will get weighed in. And anyway, I'm going to crack on with this, and I'll see you guys soon. Please like and subscribe. Catch you later. Bye.